Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing? Teacher Tim here, but you already know that by now. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. So, in this video clip, we are going to work with the grammar book. So please take out your grammar book and open it to pages 18 and 19. Those are the pages we're going to work with today. All right? And I'm going to shift my camera around so I can film the book, and you should open your books. Okay, so I will see you in a second on page 18. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, so here we are on page 18 in the grammar book. So the unit is still the school unit. So this this unit of the this part of this unit focusing now on nouns and verbs, information, questions with what. So let's see if I can point while I'm reading. A noun is a word that names a thing, such as book, word, and music. They are all examples of nouns. A verb is a word that often describes what someone is doing or an action, such as listen, play, and spell. They are all verbs that describe actions. Some verbs and nouns often go together. So, for example, verb, spell, noun, a word. Spell, a word. So you have verb and noun in the same sentence. Then the verb here, draw, and the noun, pictures. Draw pictures. Okay. We can make a question with what to ask for information. We can say, what do you do? When we want to know information about things someone does. So another example, what do you do in art class? Actually, I don't like that they just ask art. What do you do in PE? What do you do in art? I mean, okay, PE is okay. What do you do in PE? But art, what do you do in art? I mean, that doesn't really tells you that it's a lesson, it's at school. It should have class. What do you do in art class? So I'm going to add that. What do you do in art class? Okay. So what do you do in art class? Better. What do you do in PE? PE is okay, but you can say PE class. That's alright. Alright, now let's go down to exercise A. Write the words in the correct place. So which words are verbs and which words are nouns? So you have 6 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pictures, take, exercise, tests, draw, and do. Which ones are verbs and which ones are nouns? Okay. So please do that exercise. Now we go down to B. Excuse me. Write the correct verb. So we have six words, 6 sentences. I will just change the angle. Okay, there we go. Can you see better? No? Okay, I have to focus in. Okay, I will change the camera. Okay, this is better. Now you can see the whole. Okay, so we have 6 lines, 6 gaps, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have 6 words, so you're going to use all the words. The words are do, take, listen, spell, draw, and read. Okay, so exercises. I will help you with the first one. Exercises. Do, take, listen, spell, draw, and read. Do exercises. Yeah, that's good. Take exercises. Listen exercises. Spell exercises. Draw exercises. Read exercises. Now it's do. D-O. Cross out. Do exercises. Number 2, words. Okay, so you do that. And then we go to page 19, please. So exercise C. Look at the pictures, write the questions. So look at these pictures and then you write these questions, and the book has given you the answers. So what does this look like? Theme. Sorry, move a little bit closer. Okay, there we go. Better. So theme 2, lesson 1, blue, red, yellow. So what is the question there? The answer is I spell words. Spell words. It's got to be English. So then we write the question. I will help you with this one. What do you do in English class? So question, what do you do in English class? Answer, I spell words. And number 2, what is this picture? Write the question. Number 3, what subject is that? Write the question. And lastly, what is he doing? What subject is that? Write your question. Okay. Now, lastly, exercise D. Look at the pictures, write the answers. So it is the opposite thing from exercise C. There you write the question and the book gives you the answers. D, the book gives you the questions, you write the answers. Okay? And as you can see, I have added class, 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 class. Okay? So I will help you with the first one again. What do you do in art class? What is he doing? I what? I draw pictures. Good. I draw pictures. Good. I draw pictures. Okay. And then number 2, what do you do in PE class? So write the answer. Number 3, what do you do in English class? What is he doing? And lastly, what do you do in music class? What is she doing? She's wearing a pair of headphones. Okay. All right. Good. So now, please answer all of these questions. All right. And then I will give you parents the answers. Okay. All right. Let's change this back. All right. So there we are. Okay. So please do these exercises, and I will see you in the next clip. Take care and Goodbye. Have a nice weekend. Okay, now this part is for you parents, so that you can check your children's answers. And I have now given you the answers. So verbs and the nouns. So verb, take, exercise, draw, and do, because they are actions. They describe what someone is doing. Someone is taking pictures, someone is exercising, someone draw pictures, and someone is doing whatever. Okay, and then nouns, pictures, because excuse me, because that's the name of something, and tests are tests. Okay, so now B, write the correct verb. Number 1, do exercises, and as you can see, I've added the S at the end, because do exercise, that is not really correct. It's okay, you can still use it, but it's more correct to put it in plural form. Do exercises, same as words, books, pictures, tests, all in plural form. Okay, number 2, spell words. Number 3, read a book. So there's no S on books because it's a book, one book. Read a book. Listen to music. Draw pictures. Take tests. Okay, and now we go to the next page. Write the questions. So number 1, what do you do in English class? I spell words. 2, what do you do in art class? I draw pictures. What do you do in math class? I take tests. Number 4, what do you do in PE class? I do exercises. Okay, and then D, they are reversed, so the book gives you the questions and want you to write the answers. So number 1, what do you do in art class? Answer, I draw pictures. Number 2, what do you do in PE class? Answer, I do exercises. 3, what do you do in English class? I read books. So books is okay, plural form, or I read a book. But because the question, in my opinion, what do you do in English class, it is not specific to one lesson. It's what do you do in every lesson, because that's what class means. So for example, you are having basic English classes with teacher Tim. So that is a subject, so you have a class with a teacher, but one class, there are many lessons in that class. Okay, so I read books, or I read a book right now. Number 4, what do you do in music class? I listen to music. Okay, so these are the answers to these exercises. Alright, take care, and I will see you in the next clip. Bye bye.